First one I ever saw.
That's got to be a tornado.
Got to be a little bit of one.
Looks like it's breaking up now, though.
Trailer or something. Yeah, before it got real big right over there. Let's just hope it doesn't go to the
Okay, just relax, girls.
That's got to be a tornado. I've never seen a fly like that.
Yeah, that's a tornado. It's got to be a tornado cloud. It didn't touch. It's just swirling around.
Except for her.
See leaves and stuff blowing.
It was a lot bigger over there.
Yeah, it grew a lot bigger above those trees, and now it's headed that way. It was getting smaller.
Like
That's
getting
the
bigger,
weirdest thing I
yeah.
ever seen.
Where's the best place to sit in here?
They say the south corner, southwest.
What do you think, Bob?
To move on my house.
I hope it leaves my house. I kind of like my house. I can take the garage down.
Yes, they are. What's that? Yay.
It's going.
These tornadoes tracked 47 miles from near Ravenna, Ohio to just southwest of Mercer, Pennsylvania. This one killed 18 people. Here's a look at that tornado shortly after it hit Wheatland, Pennsylvania. Ronald Alfredo shot this videotape with his home VHS camera. He didn't know what he was shooting until it was nearly upon him.
See those papers belong? Dude, that is a tornado. Look at all the papers over there.
There.
That's a tornado. Yeah, leaves.
Yeah, but look at it, picking it up.
Look at Dale. Here comes a tornado. Sure is.